What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Ride Along Daily. I'm your host Hovig, and boy, it's a gorgeous day. Got a hoodie on today. It's 65 degrees today. I can't believe 65 on Saturday morning. It's only 11:30. Just 2 days ago it was 90, 95. It was hot and humid. Today 65, cold and chilly with a hoodie on. Insane how weather just turns just like that. But anyways, still gonna be a good day today. Today's actually going to Loudoun County Exotixs. It's their second annual open house. Last year, the first one was awesome. They had an amazing turnout, a lot of cars, a lot of exotics, cool cars, all sorts of things. So I'm on my way to go meet up with Reggie and my friend Jose. And then after that, we're going to head over to Loudoun County Exotixs and see what they have over there. Now got Reggie and Jose behind me. Woo! Now the weather feels great. Man, got that big V8 behind me. Gray 812. Love that interior. The yellow calibers. LaFerrari. And I got your McLaren Senna. Wide body GTR, 1400 horsepower to the wheels. Now that is insane. Ferrari 458. He lowered it about 1.5 inches and he's doing a full system exhaust on here. And they're doing a dyno test too. This car's gorgeous.
And you know it's hitting your paint, right? You just hear, but he got it all covered. He's, you know, this was his wife's car. For real? Yeah, bro.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna go get my truck, man.
All right, cool. Performante. .720 McLaren Spider. What do you guys think about this spec? Titanium with red interior or a dark maroon? Turbocharged. What do you guys think about this 430 challenge car? Porsche GT3. You got your Lamborghini Gallardo, an old school Porsche 918, I believe.
Our second year in business, so we're going to give away a few things. We have a Adams Polishes bucket courtesy of Dallas Car Concierge. Thank you so much for coming out, guys. They always do a great job. Ends in 275. Does anybody have 275?
Well, that's not me.
275 489275. Been a lot of people leave, so we may have to run through a few tickets to get to them all. Next number, 381.
Oh.
Anybody have 381?
Yeah.
367.
There's your lucky winner.
What are you gonna polish up here? Bicycle, mommy's car? Outstanding. No, she got a new Atlas, Volkswagen Atlas. So courtesy of Dallas Car Concierge, Adams Polishes bucket, thank you so much. Doing a good job on mommy's van.
The Huracan Spider. I love this spec. .355 Ferrari Spider. Give us some, Reg. Loudoun County's Car Show, second annual. Very good turnout. A lot of awesome exotics, a lot of cool cars. If you weren't here, you missed it. Look at the amazing spec on this Pista 488 satin black with carbon fiber rims. This thing is immaculate. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Now this is how you spec a car out. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Another matte black F12. This is gorgeous too. Gotta love this spec. And he got the carbon fiber shield. Now that's what I'm talking about. Stop by a Ferrari Washington to see what they have here. I'm actually here visiting my friend too, so might as well see what they have in the inventory. Couple 812s. This is gorgeous. I love this super fast. My favorite, red interior. Another 812. Red interior. One is a pearl white and the other one is like a balloon white. Can't really tell from the camera, but in person, two different colors, definitely. What are you guys saying? Polished rims or gunmetal? I like gunmetal better. You got a 458 here. Nope, sorry, 488. 488 Spider. Got a California. I have all sorts of cool stuff here. Yeah, this is awesome. I have all the cars in here. What do you guys think is the best one? I believe the 488 Pista is the best one. California Spider. Another 488. Ferrari Portofino. It's the replacement of the California T. It's not bad. I like it. I love the interior though. Another Portofino with the yellow interior. Now this is something different you'll never see. It's another 812 Superfast. Matte gray. And a lot of matte cars here today. The dealership. And another red interior. This is gorgeous. God, I love these matte cars with red interior. What do you guys think? This one? You got your Ferrari FF, Ferrari California, the 488, another 488. You got a Testarossa all in the far back with the engine out. Here's your Testarossa with your engine out. You guys never seen one with that motor out of a car or a Ferrari? There you go. Just amazing how that car comes out. That's just amazing how it just drops down. Ferrari 599 GTO. This is a gorgeous car. .2 liter, 12 cylinder. Oh, this is what you need in a garage right here. Testarossa. Little history of Ferrari. '18 GTB Lusa. That's pretty gorgeous. 6.4 liter V12. Oh man, what an epic day. What an awesome day. Just want to say thank you to Greg and his family for letting me come to their second annual car show. I'm sorry, open house. Tons of amazing cars there. A lot of Ferraris, a lot of McLarens, one LaFerrari, then there was one Senna. Like I said, it was an amazing time. I had a blast there. Met a lot of cool owners. Met a lot of cool people there too, and I had a blast. And my friend Jose and Reggie, we also had a good time too. Went cruising afterward. But yeah, it's an amazing time. I believe out of all the car shows I've been to in the summertime, I believe that's the best one so far yet. I've been to plenty of them and they weren't really that great, to be honest with you. It's great, just still a very good show. A lot of people showed up, which was awesome. But you know, another good day, another cold day, but you know, we had a good time. But I just want to say thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys liked the video, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't joined the RAD family, smash that subscribe button. Join the family, and off to the next one. Signing out. Boom.